These units are available in the USA and Canada but only through their dealers, and the brand is a part of the Unitary Products Group, which is owned by Johnson Controls. They use aluminized steel primary heat exchangers which resist corrosion but are not as durable as brands that use stainless steel. The units use hot surface ignition, which is quieter and more reliable than brands that use spark ignition. The brand is backed by a pretty good warranty that includes their complete assurance guarantee, where the entire furnace is replaced if the heat exchanger fails within the set time period. The TM9E models are basic 95% AFUE efficient gas furnaces with a constant torque blower motor. The TM9Y is a premium 2-stage furnace with a 2-speed inducer and a constant torque blower motor, while the TM9V model has a variable speed blower motor and the ability to communicate with the other parts of the home's HVAC system to maximize comfort and efficiency. The brand does not offer a model that qualifies for the HvacRepairGuy Ultimate category.